Alright, what we have here today is an 8-inch Knapp Monarch Jack Frost table fan. Likely dating sometime around the late 40s, early 50s. Fan is in a dark brown finish with wrinkled paint on the base and the motor. Blades are a glossy dark brown, chrome gay guard. It's in pretty decent original condition. Original cords in decent shape. Original plug end. Single speed on and off switch right there. Stationary only, non-oscillating. Information tag there, decal onto the bottom. Base is cast iron. Yeah, the Jack Frost fans the name was pretty widely used on basically all of Knapp Monarch's smaller table fans such as this. That name was used probably ever since the 30s all the way until the 70s when they were bought out by Hoover. So, yeah, theirs were a fairly inexpensive line of fans, I believe. Probably their economy model fans that they sold from that in between those time periods. So, yeah, not really much else to say about it. This one runs pretty well. The blades are a bit out of alignment, and this is a pretty high RPM fan, so it definitely throws it pretty well off balance. So it's definitely makes a vibration noise, but it doesn't really dance across the table or anything like that. It's just a tad bit noisy, I'd say. So start it up. Fan moves a subtle amount of air. Nothing too overbearing, but not terrible either. And it's a pretty cheap, economical fan at the time. But despite the out of balance blade, runs pretty well. Fairly quiet. Yeah, I tried to balance some blades as best I could, but you have to have them pretty well perfect for being such a high RPM fan, like I said. But it's got a nice spin down. Those blades are stamped steel. And there we go. There was the 8-inch Knapp Monarch Jack Frost table fan from the late 40s, early 50s. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.